Hello everyone, welcome to Date Seconds. Today we are going to introduce most important English sentence that is help for you communications. So first sentence is what is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Yes, I love music. Which sport do you like? I like cricket. I like cricket. What is your dream job? I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. Can you drive? Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I love traveling. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Three Idiot. My favorite movie is Three Idiot. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Aman. My best friend is Aman. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. What do you do in your free time? I watch video or read book. I watch video or read book. Where did you study? I studied at government college. I studied at government college. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go by bus. I go by bus. Do you like your school? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Wing of Fire. My favorite book is Wings of Fire. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Singh. My favorite teacher is Mr. Singh. What do you do on weekend? I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. Do you have any sibling? Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother. What is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Diwali. My favorite festival is Diwali. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. My favorite season is winter. Do you like reading? Yes, I enjoy reading. Yes, I enjoy reading. What kind of movie do you like? I like comedy and action movie. I like comedy and action movie. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog. My favorite animal is a dog. Do you like cooking? Yes, sometime. Yes, sometime. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 pm. I go to bed at 10 pm. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is mango. Do you like rain? Yes, I love the rain. Yes, I love the rain. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and milk. I eat bread and milk. Do you like studying English? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. How many language do you speak? I speak two language. I speak two language. Do you play any instrument? No, I do not. No, I don't. What is your favorite place? My favorite place is a Missouri. My favorite place is a Missouri. Who is your role model? My role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. My role model is a Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. What do you do after school? I do my homework and play game. I do my homework and play game. Do you watch TV? Yes, sometime. Yes, sometime. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for the more video. If you had any suggestion, please comment me. Thank you.